Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you what we bought for our front flower bed. It was kind of a spontaneous trip since we had a bush die and things kind of went out of hand with the clearance department and also just some plants that I had found. So I'll take you up front and go over that. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about, which I guess the bad plant week is continuing into this week, but we use a lawn service to take care of our grass as far as keeping it green. They fertilize it, they do weed control and stuff like that. And my guess, because this bush was doing so good, my guess is they got some kind of poison on this bush, because that's the only thing I can think of. This bush was doing wonderful. I had trimmed it back and it had some new growth on it, which you can see. And then one day I came out here and it was just brown. And you can see all the leaves that have fallen on the ground. So we decided we wanted to put an Arborvitae over here to go with the one on the other side. And that's what we're going to do. The only thing I'm afraid of is when we plant the Arborvitae, I'm worried that there's still poison on this mulch. So we're going to get all the mulch away from the, we're going to pull all the mulch up and replace it. But let me show you what I got from Lowe's. Okay, so now we're back over here. Actually, the only thing I bought on clearance was this Daylily. I just thought it was so pretty. So we're going to put that there. But they had a couple of brown leaves on it, but I pulled that off and voila, it looks brand new. Second thing I got, none of the rest of this will be on clearance. So this is Veronica. And I got a smaller one for the other side, but you can see what that's going to look like. And then over here, this one is a tad bit bigger. But the pollinators were all over this. They were on this more than any other plant, so I had to get it. But check this out on my autumn joy sedum. You see that? It's starting to turn colors. I'm so excited. And I did get some mums. This is all orange. I'm going to put them all in this pot. But I'm going to take it out and put potting soil in it. And then I'm going to put these around it, because this is a bigger pot. Sorry guys, I'm trying to back up where I can see. There we go. So I'll put that there. Rabbits still have not come back and eaten any more of my Liriope. So that's good. I bought liquid fence granules and that has worked. So far, so good. And here's the other mums I got. Right here, and these are this is just red mums. And I'm just gonna leave this in the pot because it's just sitting. This one fits fine. Okay, so I'm going to get this stuff planted up. planted and we've remulched, and I think it looks great. Very happy with it. I think it would definitely add more structure than the bush, but we are going to plant the bush in the back yard because I want to see if I can revive it, because I hate to just throw it away. So I'll move that to the backyard. Second bed, I think it looks good. I am super excited about the Veronica and that Daylily, even though I know that Daylily is not going to bloom again this season. I'm still excited about it. But yeah, looks good. We had enough mulch to do over here. Moms, I got them planted. I put the small ones in the back. And there's the Veronica. Did not have enough mulch, like I said, to do this bed, but I will pick some more up. And I'll probably have to put some more rabbit stuff out too. Very happy with it. And that Veronica is a perennial. And I used BioStarter. Well, Biotone. Is it Biotone or BioStarter?